Hello student, my name is Shyam Kumar Dhakar and today we are going to discuss trigonometry. Here we will discuss three things: what is trigonometry, what are trigonometric ratios and what are the applications of the trigonometry. So first of all, what is the definition of trigonometry? Here we can say it's just a combination of two words, trigonon and metron. These are the Greek words. So trigonons means triangle and metrons means measurement. So we can say trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the sides of a triangle and angle of a triangle. So which deals the relation of side and angle of a triangle. So let's discuss a triangle. It's a right angle triangle. If we consider angle theta, the opposite side of this theta will be perpendicular or known as perpendicular, and the other side will be base, and always hypotenuse is the side which is just opposite to the 90-degree angle. Simple. Here we don't need to be confused. If we consider angle A is theta, then the perpendicular will be this side, means BC will be perpendicular and this side will be base. So here we don't need to be confused, and always hypotenuse is the opposite side of 90-degree angle. Now the ratios. Here, because we know three sides here and an angle, so if we make a combination in three sides, we have 6 combinations. So we know there will be 6 ratios. First ratio, if we will take AB upon AC, means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is known as sine and theta. Sine theta will be AB upon AC. It's a single quantity. There is no difference sine and theta. There is a single quantity. So we can say sine theta is equal to AB upon AC. Similarly, if we will consider base upon hypotenuse or BC upon AC, which will be cos theta. Okay. Now, if we will consider AB upon BC, means perpendicular upon base, it will be tan theta. Their reciprocal relations will also exist. So we can say the reciprocal of tan theta will be cotangent, and this can be write BC upon AB, and here we can write 1 upon tan theta. Similarly, sec theta will be reciprocal of cos theta, means we can say AC upon BC. Similarly, cosec theta will also be reciprocal of sin theta, means we can say AC upon AB, or we can write 1 upon sin theta. Now the application part. So if we have a building, let's assume there is a building and which height we need to be calculate. So if it's a building, let's assume its height is h and we are standing 50 meter apart from the base of this building, and let's assume this angle is 45 degree. So here we need to be calculate this height, and we have this length, and we have this angle. So if we think AB and BC relations means tan theta, so we can say tan 45 will be perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is h, which is unknown, and base is 50. And from a table, there is a table where all values are written. We need to be memorize these values. So tan 45's value will be 1, and perpendicular is h and base is 50 meter. Here we can solve this, and we can say the value of h will be 50 meter. So these type of problems can be solved by means of trigonometry. So this is all about, students. Thank you.